Contractors, I get it. The market is slow. You've been burned by marketing agencies. Now you feel like you have to do everything yourself. Marketing is just like working out. You don't go to the gym once and expect results. It's consistency that compounds. It's the same with marketing. One post won't change your business, but showing up every day will. You don't need to do it all alone. You just need the right team and the right system. We already have a general contractor onboarded, but if you're an electrician, plumber, an HVAC contractor, or any other trade, reach out and we'll help you get started. If you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, let's talk.